Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about the OneUi 7 update. So as in my previous video I told you that the OneUi 7 update is on the line, and now we will get to see a better version 4, and after that we can expect the OneUi 7 stable update. But sadly the OneUi 7 update is now further delayed, and now sadly we will get to see some more beta versions before the official stable update. And due to this, the OneUi 7 official update is going to get delayed a lot, along with the Android 15 update. It is really sad to say that while the other brands are already getting the Android 16 beta version, and we are still stuck on the Android 14. From Tarun Watts on Twitter, it is confirmed that the beta version 4 will be dropped in February, and beta 5 in March, and beta 6 in April. And due to this, the official OneUi 7 update will be postponed. And this is also confirmed from the ICE universe as well. The bad part about the beta version is that it is only available for some of the devices like the S24 series. Also, it is limited to some of the countries, and all the older models before the S24 series and the countries that are not included in the device list will have to wait for the official release of the OneUi 7 update. And now, according to the new rumors, the beta version 6 is expected to launch in April, so we might get to see the official stable update by the end of April or in the start of May. And sadly, it is still a rumor, and the official update might get delayed further. As previously we thought that the beta version 4 will be last beta of the OneUi 7, and now we are getting the beta version 6. While the S25 series is already on the OneUi 7 update, so if you want to enjoy the OneUi 7 update, you will have to buy the S25 series. Or if your device is eligible for the OneUi 7, so you will have to wait for a while for the official stable release. The OneUi 7 update itself is a big update along with the Android 15 update. It is bringing in some crazy new features and some new app icons as well. Also, you might get to see some Galaxy AI features with the new update. But you will have to wait for a long time for the OneUi 7 official update. By the way, there is a new update available of February security patch for the S24 Ultra that you guys can check out by simply going into your software update, then going into your download and install. I have already made a video on that, how you can update, so do check out that video if you want to update your device to the latest security patch. And that's all for today's video. This was the latest saddest news for the OneUi 7 update. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.